Hi everyone, I am Huang Shaoshuai. It is my honor to be a judge for the online Anna Paplova ballet competition. I was really happy and exciting to watching your videos. I want to say, keep training your ballet dreams, and I hope all of you do great in dancing. Good luck everyone.